Hello traders! Today I want to show you a backtest of our trading strategy based on the smart money concepts. After spending hours of the backtesting, we came up with pros and cons and exciting results about the win rate of this trading strategy, which I will explain in this video. For the backtesting, I use Forex on MetaTrader 4, which is Forex simulator with real data that allows you to trade on the past and conclude the results. I use $10,000 for the initial account size and 2% risk per trade. I backtested this strategy for 3 months and only looked for trading opportunities from London Open till the New York close. So first, let me explain the strategy I use with all the rules, and then I will show you the results I got. This strategy has 2 steps. In the first step, I analyze the market direction and mark high potential order blocks for trading. In the 1 hour time frame, for example, here we can clearly see that demand is in control. The market has broken the structure to the upside with inefficiency, leaving a perfect order block demand zone behind. We have enough room for the price to go higher before reaching the higher time frame supply zone. In the second step, I wait for the price to get to my order block and zoom into the 5-minute time frame to execute the trade. After the price reaches the order block for the entry reason, I want to see a change of character formation to indicate the short-term downtrend is over and the market can potentially start to move to the upside. If we see no change of character, then we will have no trade. For executing the trade, I want my stop loss protected below the swing low, but there are 2 scenarios. When executing the orders, if the change of character move creates inefficiency, therefore an order block, I will place my buying position, a spread size above the order block with my stop loss being a couple of pips below the swing low. But if the change of character move does not create an order block, I will place my buying position precisely in the middle of the 6, 1, 8, and 7.86 Fibonacci retracement levels. And for the taking profits, I will track my profit, meaning that every time market makes a new order block, I will reposition my stop below the order block until we reach our higher time frame supply zone. In this way, you can achieve a significant profit without any pressure. Keep in mind that everything I mentioned applies to a bearish scenario. To learn more about smart money trading strategies, check our YouTube channel added on this description. So now let's back to our backtest trading strategy. For 3 months on Euro Dollar and see how things will work. After spending hours of the backtesting, we came up with the some pros and cons of this trading strategy. The first advantage of this strategy is that it is very simple and rule-based. Instead of having multiple lines drawn on your chart and considering multiple indicators and factors, this strategy is easy to implement. You know exactly what you are looking for when you open the chart. The second advantage of this strategy is using the change of character concept as an entry reason, which can save you from losses many times. Sometimes, the market ignores the order blocks, which happens when the other side is highly in control. So a change of character in lower time frames entry reason is helpful to not enter the losing trades. The third advantage of this strategy is tracking the profits. We have noticed that 1 in 10 trades, the market goes highly in our favor. So by tracking the profits, we could gain much more reward than what we have risked. So in this system, for taking profits, it is better than having a solid 1 to 2 target or etc., but it requires more patience and time. Now, let's see the results of backtesting. So this is the result that we got after backtesting this strategy on euro-dollar for 3 months. We have realized that although the win rate of this strategy is not that high, but we gain 68% profit. But remember, in my opinion, this percentage will be much lower if you trade live, because you have to deal with the emotions. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you still need you have a question or suggestions for the following videos, let us know in the comments. See you in the next episode.